bakit 3 lang? Unang-una, si Agent Kalilong, nakita niyo naman technical kasi electronic evidence po 'yan. Dapat pinakita step by step kung bakit authentic yung record ng press conference or press briefing ng Vice President. So, authenticity po at provenance, yung source, yung chain of custody ng prosecution's evidence. Yung video po na sinabi niya na, "I have already hired a killer," 'no, et cetera, 'no. Yun po yung laman ng first witness. Yung second witness po, ang laman naman ng testimony niya is kung ano yung contents. Um, at ang third witness at sinabi niya na sa Cybercrime Division tapos na yung kanilang investigation, at in-endorse na sa ibang division yung Intelligence Investigation Division ng NBI. So, tapos na kami at ang mangyayari, ang nangyari po is, linantad na ni, Chairman Jinky, our lead public prosecutor, already mentioned that we will now be shifting to a presentation of the article on confidential funds. Ang head po ng team na yan is here in the flesh, si Congressman Joel Chua po. Siya po ang punong abala sa public prosecutors tungkol sa confidential funds. Alam naman po natin na this confidential funds issue was started in his committee, no? On that note po, yun na lang po. So, on Monday, what will happen on Monday? On Monday, itutuloy po yung arguments tungkol sa dalawang issue. Unang-una, yung issue ng subpoena of the prosecution for bank records. At pangalawa, yung issue nung mahiwagang BIR box, no? Bubuksan ba natin yan? BIR box na yan. So this will be subject to interpellation, no? Kasi kahapon, nagbigay ng opening statement ang prosecution at ang defense. Sa Monday, we will expect the senator judges to be asking their questions kasi sila po magde-decide kung on these two issues.